day everyone and welcome back to Mommy Guide Inc. Today's video is about a round art journal. Yes, we will create this round art journal based on a class that I took from Papel at Iba Pa, taught by Zell of Sprinkle with Cards and hosted by Miss Jo of Papel at Iba Pa using AAll and Create Stuff. For the class, we were given 3 sets of stamps and a stencil, and was given the freedom to choose what kind of ink we wanted to use for coloring. I used 2 colors of Distress Oxide, Festive Berries, and Seedless Preserve to proceed with ink smooshing, which is what I did to create the background for this mixed media circular or round album. After the distress inks have dried, I proceeded with putting in additional markings with the use of Versamark ink and stencil, also from AAll and Create. And after that, use the stamp set that was included in the kit to also add more markings onto the background. Again, everything is from AAll and Create. To create the focal point for this project, I used the included stamps in this class. Stamped them with VersaFine Clear ink onto a 300 GSM Bevania Splendor Gel from Pedrigoni paper, locally distributed by Prestige Paper Products. Next up, I colored in the focal point or focal image for this project of mine using watercolors, and it's all just very basic, nothing fancy really. Finally, it's time to fussy cut out the colored in images. These are Stabilo All Mark pencils. I love using this to bring back the color or the highlights from the focal image. Sometimes when I fussy cut, some of the other parts are removed. So I love this pencil because it actually can create marks on all different kinds of materials like paper, glass, plastic, and even metal. And then I used a little bit of rub-ons from 49th and Market to just, add a little bit more details onto the background. To finish it all off, I will be using this jet black diamine ink, normally used for calligraphy, to create the said splatters. And finally, the sentiment. Again, I would like to thank Papel at Iba Pa and Sprinkle with Cards, Jo and Zell, for creating this awesome class. And this is just actually the first of 4 layouts for this album. So I hope you could join me in the next video as I finish this album. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye!